Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the issue of iPhone won't charge through your charging port. The first issue is that this port has too much dust stuck in it that you have to remove it, and after that your phone will be charging. Let's test if our phone is charging now. For the first result, I have done nothing. As you can see, our phone will not start charging. Let's remove the dust through this charging port. You have to get a wooden toothpick, and from this charging port you are putting inside, and gently you're just scrubbing the dust and you try to remove it out. Very gentle, okay? Because if you do it very hard, you may break the charging port. Don't do this. Removing this, trying once again, and our phone is not charging. Let's try it through the other side. Once again, our phone is not charging. Nothing happening. So if the first method it doesn't work, that might be the cable edge has oxidized and you have to remove it with a pure alcohol. So in order to do that, I'm leaving now the cable down. I'm taking a tissue paper like this and putting some pure alcohol on this paper. Don't spray it directed to the cable. You may break it down. Try to find 80 degrees Celsius alcohol. Must be pure. Spraying like this, holding the edge of the cable, getting the tissue, and after that we are gently scrubbing the oxidation from the edge of the cable like this. Clean it well. And now let's try once again if our phone will charge. Putting the cable to the charging port, and voila, our phone is now charging correctly. Take it out once again and try it, and yes, it's charging. We have fixed the error. So this video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.